Hi guys, this is Carrie. You're watching A Crone's Life. I have a box today. This is from Kickstarter. I believe... Thank you so very much for supporting our collaborative campaign. Yeah, I believe this is the Apothecary or something. Oh, I have to look. But it was Eric Maille's artwork, and I do love the Ink Witch Tarot, so I backed this. It's floral or botanical. I have Elena with me today, so if you hear her in the background, she is enjoying herself with her yogurt bites. Oh, Apothecary Spirits Oracle. I'm very, very, very excited about this. So first off, I love how it was packaged. There's plenty of space in the box for this to bounce around and not get bumped up. These prints are postcard size, and they are just images from the cards. That shadow bothers me every time. I tried to do the lighting a little different, but we know how this goes. Okay. The box is very rigid. We have the thumb holes. We have artwork on the inside. It's 64 cards. Features ingredients and tools used by modern-day herbalists. It is a view through the queer and inclusive lens. Okay. Oh, and the bottom of the box. It is a very nice thick guidebook. There are color pictures in here. They're small, but that still works. I mean, you can still see clearly which card it is. That's super great. Energy, life force. So they have keywords. It has the Latin name. Tells where the plant or ingredient comes from. And it has at least a page and a half of information. Oh, it's almost like taking a class. There's so much fun stuff in here. Oh yeah, huh? Oh, you go. got the lid off. Good job, girlfriend. Do you want some paper? Let's get you some paper. Oh, look at the edging. It matches my background. I did not know that was going to happen. That's awesome. I love Eric Mayle's color palette. And I'm very happy with the font at the bottom of each card. It blends in. You really do have to pay a little bit more attention to it, but I don't mind that. I think that's really nice to have it subtle. Okay, so thanks for opening my box with me. I'll feature this in another video where I can do spreads and pair it up with other decks. Let's zoom out just a smidge so you can see it again. You can see my shadow down here. That's always fun. Maybe I'll riffle shuffle it for you guys. It seems very easy to riffle shuffle. Cardstock is very high quality. Whoosh. I do find it so interesting that the color is so similar to my backdrop. That's just hilarious. I just washed this fabric this weekend. Tried to get all the stains out of it because I was using it in my kitchen. But I love the color so much, I decided to put it on my desk. And then what do you know? Okay. So thanks for tolerating Elena. She is full of words and volume, and we love that. And if you don't love it, just turn your volume down. I'm sure you won't miss anything I have to say. But you get to see all the pretty pictures of the cards. So, yay. I never said who all was in it. It's Eric Maille did the artwork, Michael Anthony, and Thomas Witholt. So, this was Kickstarter. I don't have a website right now. I'll see if I can find one and put it in the description box below, but forgive me if I could not find a website for it. We'll see. We will see how it goes. So thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll catch you guys later. Have a great week.